Hi everybody, Diego here. Welcome back to another video. For today's episode, we're gonna have a quick overlook on the top benefits of affiliate marketing. So let's get right into it. For today's video, I found this article posted on Volution. It's a really concise article. It was posted in 2019, but I reviewed the information it was saying, and I found it amazing and very summarized. So let's begin by reminding you guys what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of using your own traffic to sell somebody else's product. So the product has been established, that it has been marketed before other people, other affiliate marketers are going to be marketing your same product. However, you're going to get the tools and the graphics you need to promote the product. So let's get right into it. So the first benefit that I honestly think it is the most important one for affiliate marketing is that it all depends on how much work you're willing to put in. So for affiliate marketing, there's no secret strategy. There's no one perfect strategy. Some of these affiliate marketing gurus in TikTok and all that platforms, they swear that there's a special program, a special template, a special blueprint that you must follow in order to convert the most amount of sales, but this is just not true. You can start in an organic way from zero with zero followers, zero subscribers. That was the way that I began, all the way from zero, no exposure. I didn't have any platform. I was actually too camera shy to create my personal brand. So this is just not true. There's no special recipe. It's just how much work and how much hours are you willing to put in. So for those of you that are looking for a get rich quick scheme, you may click exit now. We'll give you a second for that. Okay, so now that the people that want get rich from one day to another have left, let's continue with the serious business. So affiliate marketing is something that requires you to have a traffic source. You got to get clicks and eyeballs to your product. If you don't have any traffic, then there's no way to get new clients. Of course, if you're just starting, it is okay to not have any traffic. That's what you're going to be creating your email list, creating your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, your blog post, your Pinterest, your whatever source you decide. That's up to you, and it's up to your niche. Some niches have better platforms than other. For example, if you're into the fitness niche, Instagram would be a very good platform. If you're into the photography niche, I would say Pinterest can be a very good platform for you guys. But yeah, everything is going to depend on how much time you're willing to spend and how much energy and resources you want to allocate to your business. So the common mistake a lot of people make is that they take affiliate marketing as a hobby. They say, no, this is just a pastime. I'm going to be making money while I sleep, and it's going to be completely passive. And there's some reality to that statement and some very incorrect things. So affiliate marketing requires a lot of labor at the beginning, because you have to create your platform, you have to create your traffic source, you have to establish your personal brand, and you got to get people to trust you and want to know more about you and the products you are or products or services that you are promoting. So it's going to be exponential. I mean, it's going to be exponential but negative. So you're going to start with a lot of work. You're going to build your platform, build your email list. It's going to take hours and hours. um, you're probably going to spend more on advertisement, but as you go forward, you're going to be having your traffic filtered through a sales funnel, and depending on how good your sales funnel is, you're now going to have to spend much less time and energy and financial resources into getting those traffic into clients. So depending on how much energy, how much effort you're putting at the beginning, you get the foundation and get the traffic going, get your personal brand. So at the beginning, it's just going to be consistency and hard work. So let's move on to the second one. Affiliate marketing helps you broaden your audience. This is what I'm telling you guys of getting your personal brand going or your regular brand going. It is important for you to have your own platform, so you're not only paying for Facebook ads, paying for Google ads, but you're creating your audience, people that know you, people that trust you. I would recommend you guys step in front of a camera. If you have a regular brand, and you're the CEO of the brand, I would really recommend you guys to be the face of the brand and reach out to possible customers as a person. It is way more likely that somebody's going to buy from a person than just a brand name. So let's say I have a tire shop here in Costa Rica, and it's called, I don't know, Diego's Tires. That's much more attractive because it has my name, and eventually they get to know me, Diego, and I'm gonna be the one interacting with them, nurturing the relationship with them. But if it's just called, I don't know, San Jose Tires, and they never know anybody, they don't know the CEO, they don't know the team that behind the brand, it is much more likely that they won't trust the product and they won't eventually buy. So by creating affiliate marketing, you have a proven product, you have a high quality product that you guys chose. If you don't know how to choose your the best affiliate marketing programs, on the last video we saw a little bit on ClickBank and how to choose and how to filter out high ticket affiliate programs and high quality products. So check that out and come back. Um, as I was saying, it helps you get new audiences because you're in the process of marketing, and maybe you're not going to be making millions right off the bat because you have to spend some of your budget and some of your earnings into advertisement, but you're going to be creating your email list, your follower list, your subscribers, and eventually that is going to become free advertisement because now you have them in a closed space, the filtered space, so these are much more likely to be profitable clients, and you don't have to pay Facebook, Google, YouTube, or other platforms to reach this audience is now yours, and it's a valuable asset. And even sometimes people will reach out to you so that they can advertise within your email list. So you have built an asset that is now profitable, is now free advertisement, and can even be marketed to other people. So a quick example of this is meme pages. They are really famous now in Instagram, TikTok, and the bigger they get, the audience belongs to the meme page owner, and now the owner can use the platform that they created along the way to market other people's products. So in the meantime, you're selling your product, you're earning your commissions, but you are as well increasing your personal assets in the ways of email lists, followers, subscribers, whatever it is that you guys, blog post followers, whatever you guys are doing. Okay. So affiliates can boost your reputation. This is just whatever niche you're into. You're gonna look for similar influencers and similar channels of distribution from yours. So let's say you have a very good fitness product that has been proven, and you partnered with a very good blogger, and now you're telling them to advertise your product so that you can get their follower list into your email list, and now you have a very high quality, high reputation list. So people are going to trust the person they already follow, the influencer, the blogger, and now you're getting a bite out of that audience, and it's people that are gonna trust whatever the influencer says. So by associating with somebody and using a trusted product, a proven product, you get to get a part of that reputation. Another very important part is that it's cost effective, especially for beginners, and it's profitable for both sides. It's profitable for companies and it's profitable for affiliates. Companies are not wasting any resources or any time and efforts in reaching new customers, but they're taking advantage of existing traffic and putting it to work on their favor. So it is okay for them to pay 50%, 70% commissions, because otherwise it's traffic that they wouldn't get, and it's possible future clients that are not going to be there for them. And reaching those people can cost them millions and millions of dollars, just because they have to reach the general traffic and go through the whole sales funnel, sales filtering process. So for affiliate marketers, for affiliates, it is very important to understand that you're an asset to the company that you're working with. So they're going to give you the resources you need. They're going to give you the images, the videos, the email swipes. They're going to give you whatever you are needing right now to sell their product for, because the more you sell, the more they sell. So you have to look at yourself as an asset, and you have to look at your audience and your traffic as a very great asset. Focus on building your email list, your pages, your YouTube channel, your blog. Focus on expanding the power and the size of that media, just so that in the future, more and more cost effectiveness is achieved, and you can now earn money from creating that asset or that list. Another benefits from affiliate marketing programs, products, it is that brands will receive what is called a traffic scale, because the more people they have under their affiliate program, the more eyeballs are going to be looking at the brand and the product. So it is important for them to have specific niche audiences looking at their product. So if you're into the fitness niche and you're a company, you don't want everybody to see the product. It's just not cost effective. You need people within the fitness niche to pay attention. You're not interested in somebody that hates fitness and doesn't work out and everything, because they're not likely to buy, depending on your products. But for a specific, let's say, I don't know, for a weight set, you're gonna target that to people that probably already work out or go to the gym or want or have been looking for home gyms. And it is much more cost effective. You don't have to reach millions and millions. You just have to reach those few people that are high probability clients, high quality clients. Sorry there, guys. Let's continue. The last thing I'm gonna say for a benefit that I don't see here. Let's see. No, I don't see here, but that's okay. Is that the having a proven product and a high quality product can boost your credibility and your trust with customers. So the more value you find in your offers, the more likely people are gonna be willing to share their information, stay tuned, follow your page. So if you start marketing anything just because it's easy money, quick money, that's not gonna work out in the future, because people are gonna see that you're just a mess and you're just selling them whatever you want. So it would be very important for you guys to look at quality, look at value. What is my future client really gonna think about what I'm selling? So it's not just about the price and how much money will I earn. It's about what is the value I'm giving to my audience, because it's my audience. It's no longer anybody. It's people that trust me, follow me, and will respect what I think. So in the future, if I have an email list of 1,000 people, and you start promoting certain product, then those 1,000 people are gonna trust you so much that they're gonna be just waiting for you to say, buy this, buy that, and they'll buy. They don't want any nonsense. They know that you already provided value, and they're just waiting for the next product. So one last thing to close up with you guys, I would be stupid not to tell you guys, but I think it's very obvious, but it's important. I'm just going to highlight it. Focus on high quality products, valuable products. Don't just sell stuff because of the money. In the long term, you're not going to see results. You got to sell products that create value for clients and customers. And in the end, you're going to see them come back to you asking for your advice, your opinion, and they'll stay tuned and they'll become reoccurring customers. So, yeah, let's wrap it up right there, guys. Hopefully, you learned something. If you're considering affiliate marketing, remember, don't treat it as a hobby, treat it as a business. It is a business, it is a very profitable business. It is a market that has seen billions and billions of dollars being made every single day. People are earning millions just for promoting other people. They don't have the marketing skills, they don't have um, any curriculum that backs up their sales. They just get the right tools in order and they just begin. So if you're thinking about it, just go for it, guys. Don't be shy. If you have any questions down in the comments, I'll be answering. If you need any help on finding the best affiliate programs, check out my last video. Send me a message, a DM through Instagram. If you guys want to be part of my Facebook group, be sure to send me group in the DMs or in the comments. I'll be checking them constantly. And with that being said, we're gonna close it right here. So I hope you guys learned a lot. Hopefully everything I said made sense. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, Pura Vida. Almost forgot.